Follow these steps to unsubscribe from emails on Gmail in bulk easily and get rid of unwanted emails now. Are you also annoyed by a plethora of unwanted emails in your clutter and want to unsubscribe from them? Then look no further, because you are at the right place. Mixing your personal important emails with other unwanted ones would create a lot of mess. But Gmail offers a great solution, as it entails an unsubscribe button on your computer or Chromebook to unsubscribe from these messages. However, here's how you can easily stride via multiple ways to clean out your Gmail inbox. How to unsubscribe from emails in bulk with extensions. Here's a very simplified procedure for unsubscribing from emails in bulk with extensions instantly. Firstly, users would have to go through the initial setup of the add-on. Then, to compose the email studio of Gmail for computers and Chromebooks, follow these steps. Firstly, visit mail.google.com from a personal computer PC browser. Then, click on the right sidebar to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Now, browse for Email Studio from Digital Inspiration and tap on Add-on. Now, click Install and follow the instructions to download the add-on. Return to Gmail. Return to Gmail. Once you have returned to Gmail, select the add-on in the right sidebar to open it. Now, tap Email Cleanup, and then you will be launched to the new tab and select New Rule. Follow all the prompts and tap on the unsubscribe button. At the end, select Save. Unsubscribe from emails with Email Studio on the Gmail mobile app. Here are the steps to easily set up Email Studio in your mobile Gmail. Firstly, download the Email Studio, then click on go to workspace.google.com on your phone, then browse for add-ons. Open the Gmail app and tap any email to view it. Then, open the Gmail app and click on any email to open it. Now, click on the Email Studio icon from available add-ons. Click on Email Cleanup to launch the tool on your web browser. Now, select New Rule and follow all the instructions, then click on the unsubscribe button. Now, click on Save. How to filter and block bulk messages on Gmail. If you have understood the Email Studio add-on, then the Gmail filter would be extremely easy for you to comprehend, as both of them work similarly. Users are only required to browse the search criteria and the app would automatically find messages that match them. But the only difference between both of them is the unsubscribe button, and users must delete and archive emails. Users can choose all the browsing results and delete them now. By following the above-mentioned method, users would be able to declutter all the unwanted emails from their view. Newsletter providers would still keep your information. However, these emails are only removed from your inbox instead of subscription status with your sender. These messages are available in your spam folder, which is counted in your account storage.